So it's day 13. I was checking out the intel to see who's fighting who. I think the Damerien collective is fighting the Cult of Benevolence, which checks out with some of the chatter on the Discord. EU is fighting the Cult of Benevolence. I think Kyasubaru Remu Daikun attacked the Donut Federation west of BattleHazard. I think that's who his ally was. JSinombre and Nanotrasen Inc. Are going to take Chief Kanaas' main planet. I've pushed Nanotrasen back a decent way. I'm all the way up to Kyasubaru now. So much for a surprise attack. Looks like he's pretty dead set on keeping that. I have a weapons advantage, but it's probably not going to be enough. Actually, by my count, maybe it might be just enough. Anyways, I got weapons early, so I traded with BattleHazard to get manufacturing from him. And then I also gifted weapons to Chief Kanaas. I offered weapons to Mashiropan in return for his experimentation, but he hasn't answered yet, so that's not a good sign. Mashiropan has the most economy now. It's kind of funny. Economic development has flatlined among the top four, either because everyone's at war in one's industry, or I think no one wants to draw attention to themselves in the Discord, because we know people are watching. That's everything. That's day 13.